Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your current weight to the Arise application, thereby being able to keep track of your weekly improvement, whether you have aimed your selected weight loss per week. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the diary icon down below and scroll down till you find this weight section. Here you can see that you can indicate your current weight, so use this plus or minus icon to indicate it. And after that you can check out your improvement or your weight history by tapping on the history button in the middle of the screen. So if you tap on it, you will be directed to a calendar where you can check out your previous weight entries. So if you tap on these buttons, you will be able to check out your weight that you have typed in previously, and then you can calculate whether you have reached your goal or not. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.